Okay, we're gonna show you how to put the front panel in. This is the new JL. I always get it mixed up with the LJ. The installation of the panels between the new Jeep and the JKs, it's exactly the same. I do suggest though with the JLs that you remove the front parts to install these, and there's a reason for that. On the JKs, there's a nice ridge here that these sit flat on. These particular ones don't have that, so it's much easier to lay them in and see exactly where they're going to go. They'll only sit in one way, and then you can push down and get a good, you'll get them in perfect every time. Or if you were trying to do it upside down like this, you might get one way, one side or the other, if that makes any sense. Sound Assassin strips are in here. This has already been prepped. You're just going to peel your tape off, do it in a warm area. The tape likes the heat better, and just lay it in. Let it get firm like that. It kind of sticks up, and the tape's not going to stick really quick. And then just push down. And also, it's important that you only push down over the top of where the tape is. So a good way to help you remember where the tape is, take a little piece of blue painter's tape, put it on the face of the panel, right over the top of where the tape is, then you know to push right in that line. And that's it. Boom.